Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zoom calls, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mute all participants in a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mute all participants in your Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, doing sales calls through Zoom, or maybe even team meetings, you know that sometimes their microphones are on. It can be really distracting for the call. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in an actual Zoom call. Now, if you're the administrator for a Zoom call, if you want to mute everyone, what you're going to do is here on the bottom left, you're going to click on participants. Once you do that, you're going to see the participant list pop up here on the right. And then in order to mute all participants down at the bottom, you're going to click mute all. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning that you're about to mute all current and new participants. You're also going to see this little box. So this one, I always uncheck it, because what's going to happen is if you mute everybody, if you leave that checked, they can unmute themselves. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click on the blue mute all. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now all of the participants in the call are now muted, and they cannot unmute themselves unless you unmute them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mute all participants in your Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.